Hi everyone, I'm Dora. Let's explore AI world together. Today, we are going to find the best AI tools to design my personal project. I'm studying for a Spanish exam, so I made a simple app to help me learn new words. But there is one problem. I'm not a designer, so I asked AI to help me. Today, I'm testing 3 tools: Visily, Google Stitch, and Motiff. To find the winner, I have 3 simple rules. The design, does it look good? Does it follow my ideas? The interface, is it easy and stable to use? And the price, I only need to design one app, so I don't want a big early plan. A free trial is perfect. I will give points from 1 to 3. 3 means I love it, and 1 means I don't like it. This is just my opinion. If you use these tools differently, please tell me in the comments. At the end of the video we will see which tools get the most points and win. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with Visily. The website looks great. You can register quickly with Google account. Let's do that. Okay, I'm in. It looks like a standard chatbot. I'm giving it my prompt, my colors, my style, and all the screens I need. And let's wait. Oh, error. The error message is not very clear, honestly. Let's try it again, but this time I will generate screens one by one. Okay, that worked. Now let's look at the result. Wait, how do I zoom it? Not like this. Obviously I thought it works like Miro, but I was wrong. You need to use the hand tool. Okay, now I see. I like the colors and the main screen looks good. There is a lot of air and space, but I don't like this tooltip. Look at the arrow, it looks strange. Okay, you can export your design to Figma, but you need the Pro version. It costs 14 euros a month. I use 120 tokens out of 600 free tokens. That's enough to test the tool. Okay, let's count Visily scores. The design, I would say it's 2. I like the colors and the space, but some small details like the tooltip are not great. The interface, well, it's 2. It looks beautiful, but I had errors and the navigation is a bit confusing. And the price, it's 2. 600 free tokens is generous, but you have to pay to export your design to Figma. Next, let's try Google Stitch. You might know it as a Galileo AI. It's a part of Google Labs, so you just sign in with your Google account. Okay, first problem, I can close this sidebar. It takes up so much space, and look at this switch, up or web. It's a bit confusing, honestly. Is it the setting or an action? I'm not sure, but let's use the same prompt. Oh, I like the generation screen. It tells me what it's doing and how much time is left. It feels very interactive. Okay, it's finished, but wait, where is my tooltip? I described it very clearly, and Visily made it, but Google Stitch didn't. The screens are okay, but I prefer the colors in Visily. To me, this design looks a bit too flat. It doesn't have much depth. Okay, and also look at the interface. If I click more, or any other button, it just attaches the image to the chat. Honestly, it looks like a select button, but it isn't. This is very strange UI. Okay, let's check my tokens. To check my tokens, I have to go to Stitch settings on a new screen, not very convenient. Now, let's talk about the price. This is where Google Stitch really wins. Even without any special AI subscription, I had 400 tokens for free. For this whole generation, I only used 9 tokens. And the best part, you can export your design to Figma for free. You don't need a pro account like in Visily. So, let's talk about Google Stitch scores. The design, I said 1. No tooltip, even with the same prompt, it missed details. And also, the design looks very flat. The interface, I'd say 1. The buttons are confusing, and I couldn't even close the sidebar. And the price, 3. This is the winner for price. 400 free tokens and free Figma export. And the last tool for today is the newest one, Motiff. The website looks very clean and minimalistic. You can sign in this Google and you get 100 free tokens. The Pro version is 16 euros a month. That's the most expensive one so far. Okay, let's try the prompt. I like the interface. It's very simple, but look at the results. It only gave me 2 screens. Where is my settings screens? Where is tooltip? Visily and Google did a better job here. The design looks fresh and modern, but I don't like these colors of the buttons. However, I can see my tokens right there on the screen. I use 15 out of 100. I don't need to click those settings to find them. I like that. Okay, let's talk about the results. The design is 2. The style is fresh and modern, but it didn't generate all screens I asked for. The interface, I would say it's 2. It's stable and looks clean, but maybe it's a bit too simple. And price, it's 1. You get very few free tokens and the subscription is the most expensive. Okay, it's time for the final result. Let's count the points and the winner is Visily. But to be honest, I don't love any of these designs for 100%. Visily is the closest to my idea, but it's not perfect. If I were making this app right now, I would take the best ideas from all 3 tools and mix them together. For me, there are 2 ways to use AI tools. First, keep changing your prompt and spend tokens until it's perfect. And second, just take the AI design as a base and fix it for yourself. I'm not sure which way is faster, but it was a very interesting experiment. But what about you? Have you tried any AI design tools? Did you get the result you wanted? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye!